Okay, so here we have the third bike that I'm just going to go through now. Very, very cool thing. This one's going to a guy who's having, I think he's having 7 or 8 bikes in total. He's taking 4 in a couple of days on Thursday morning, and this is one of the ones he's taking. And this is a 1992 Yamaha WR500. Now, super cool bike. I've got one of these myself, which many of you know is not up for sale, much to the displeasure of my missus. But yeah, super cool bikes. Now, it's very rare to find them in the first place, and it's very rare to find them in needing restored condition. So this was a good find, to be honest. So we'll have a look around her, and then there's no kickstart on it, so I'm not going to be able to fire it up or anything like that. But I have had it turning over while it's in gear at the back wheel. So we'll do that. We'll do the gearbox check and just get it turning over so you can see, and then there we go. So as you can see, the seat's a bit worse for wear, and you wouldn't want to be sitting on it. I stuck my hand down on it before, and then it was like, what's that? It's a flipping staple coming through it. The seat base has gone through, so it's going to need a new seat, complete seat really. It's got a nice FMF front pipe on it. There are a couple of dings and dents in it, but nothing major, and that will clean up, and you'll be able to get that replated. And then the actual silencer is an FMF silencer as well, which is in nice condition. Obviously plastics and everything will need to be replaced or restored. It's been left outside, so things like throttle tube has corroded through. It's not moving, whether that's in the carb or whether that's in the throttle housing itself, not sure. But obviously leaving them outside is not the best. It's had a steering damper on it at some point. You will be able to cut that off and then grind it back and have it repainted and stuff, because it does need repainting or powder coating. This one, it's as it's been left out, it's got quite rusty. Engine casings look really good. Looking fantastic condition, top and bottom. It's been very dirty, this bike has, so there's lots of dirt under bits and pieces and sat on top. Frame rails look good. I have seen a bit of a ding on the other side, which we'll just have a quick look at, which is just there. Again, that could be, a good welder could fill that and then grind it back. The front forks, both the fork seals have gone. Looked as though they've been gone for a while. It's looked as though it's been being ridden with the dodgy fork seals. Front rim and rear rim, considering the rest of the bike, look to be in absolutely fantastic condition. You wouldn't believe that shiny, nice, beautiful rim is sat on this really, but it is. So there you go. She looks good. The shock's going to need a full rebuild. I mean, the whole thing needs a full rebuild. In general though, I mean, I don't think it's had a huge amount of abuse. It looks as though it's more that it's been left outside and not cleaned very good. There you can see the rear rim there. Is in nice condition, like the front. Just needs a right good going through. Like I say, very rare to come across them in that condition, needing to be restored, which a lot of people, that's what they're after. So, right, let's train. Gearbox check, so that's neutral, down into first, up into second, third, fourth, and fifth. That's the top of the gearbox, and then fifth, we can just about turn it over. You can see that moving, and hopefully it's just massive compression really, which is what you do expect your always hard to turn over. These 500s, so that's back down. I went into fourth, and that's now third, second, and there we go. So select all its 5 gears, turns over. We're just in need of a right good rebuild and go through.
Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just search Phoenix Motos.